Welcome to Instant Cooking. To make best out of waste, today I am making methi bhajia. Normally we use only fenugreek leaf. We throw away the stem, but I am using that stem too to make this methi bhajia. So how to make it? Let's see. First, we take washed fenugreek stem, roughly chop them. Put it into a blender, add some water, grind it. Now strain the juice. So this is the base of our bhajia, the extract or juice of fenugreek stem. Now in a bowl, take gram flour, add salt, turmeric, red chili, little dry mango powder, mix it well. Add a pinch of asafoetida or hing, mix it well. Add the juice of fenugreek stem and make a batter. Now our smooth consistency batter is ready. Now add some sliced onion, some potato, mix it well. Add some fenugreek leaf, mix it again. Now in a pan, take oil to deep fry and make a bhajia. Fry it till golden brown. Turn it over. And now take it into a tissue paper for excess of oil. And your best out of waste fenugreek stem bhajia or methi bhajia is ready. Thank you.